Guys, okay, guys. So I'm going to introduce to you the Fisher Price Laugh and Learn. It's for the ages of 6 to 36 months. It teaches parts of the body, alphabet, counting from 1 to 10, and more. You can press the heart, the hands, the tummy, the foot, or the ear, and the child can also cuddle up with this for sleep time. And it has 75 plus songs, sounds, tunes, and phrases. And I'm going to zoom in so you can have a better look at it. There we go. Has a blue ear. It has green hands. Got purple feet and yellow arm, which you'll see later, and a blue foot. And there we go. Pretty cute, huh? Here is the puppy. And as you can see, we have, I'm sorry for the shaking, the hand, which the ABC, which is right hand side.
It's ABC time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my hand is yellow.
And the right feet.
Front. Purple. I have 2 feet, one purple, one blue. I have 2 feet, just like you.
Now on the left hand side,
Level 2. Let's learn something new.
so that's pressing it and holding it, and it tells you have different levels.
Level 3. Let's pretend. Yippee!
So
This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands.
on the right
wash
hand,
our hands. This is the way
it's
we
level
wash
3.
our hands until they're squeaky
So now
clean.
it's doing a rhyme.
Thanks for apple. Apple so crunch. Let's eat an apple. Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Press the tummy.
I love you, I love you. You make the world so bright. Morning, noon, and night.
In the ear.
Listen. What's that? It's a duck. Let's quack like a duck. Oh, did you hear that? That's a lion. Can you roar like that? Roar!
So guys, there's a demonstration. When you press the hands and the feet in the ear, it does make sounds. You have the different levels right here, level 1, level 2, level 3. That gives you different sounds and activities. The child is able to lie down with it, cuddle with it, because it's so soft. Now, when you go to the back, you do see, I really don't like the back of it because it's exposes so much, as you can see. But let me open it up, and behind there, this is where you would put the battery. It does have this switch also in the back, and that gives you the different levels, level 1, level 2, for how high or how low you want the volume. And well, that is the end of my showing you how this works. So many of the parents thought that this toy was adorable. The kids loved it. They were able to interact with it. On the other hand, there were some parents who thought that the pitch to the voice was a little bit too high and it was fast. I did not find that. I think the problem to that is that you have to change the level in the back to low or high. They also said that it was sensitive. If you brushed against it, it would start playing. I didn't find that problem either because all you had to do was touch the hands, the feet, and it would start playing. My opinion of this toy is that I found that because this toy is made for children at various stages of development, the programming had to be balanced so the kids at all stages could enjoy it. Anyway, guys, please leave a thumbs up. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Thank you again for watching. See you next time.